Hey everyone, it's your girl Magi Harun, and I'm so excited to talk about something I'm truly passionate about, making those budget-friendly finds look like $1,000,000. Expensive style doesn't have to come with an expensive price tag. Let me show you how to make even the cheapest clothes look like $1,000,000. We're going to dive into my top secrets for elevating your wardrobe no matter your budget. Get ready to turn heads and have everyone thinking you spent a fortune, all while keeping your bank account happy. Okay, first things first, fit is everything, darling. A well-tailored garment instantly elevates your look. Now, I know what you might be thinking. Tan, tailoring sounds expensive. But trust me, it doesn't have to be. Look for local tailors in your area. They often have much more reasonable prices than you'd expect. And for those quick fixes, don't underestimate the power of a good belt to cinch in a baggy waist or some temporary hem tape to get the perfect pant length. These little tweaks make a world of difference. Now let's talk color palettes. You want to aim for that timeless, elegant vibe, and nothing screams sophistication quite like neutrals. Think classic whites, blacks, beiges, and those gorgeous soft grays. These colors are not only effortlessly chic, but also incredibly versatile. You can mix and match them to create endless outfit combinations without ever looking boring. Trust me, a neutral color palette is a secret weapon for looking expensive on a budget. Chapter 3. Accessorize like a pro. Accessories, my darlings, accessories. They are the key to taking any outfit from basic to breathtaking. But remember, less is more. We're not going for over the top, we're going for understated elegance. Invest in a few quality pieces. Think minimalist gold or silver jewelry. A structured handbag, nothing slouchy, and sleek shoes. A great pair of shoes can make even the simplest outfit look like $1,000,000. Chapter 4. The fabric factor. Choose wisely. Fabric choices can make or break your look. Avoid anything overly shiny or synthetic looking. Instead, opt for materials with a bit more depth and texture. Matte finishes, cotton blends, anything with a bit of structure. These are your new best friends. Remember, we're going for that luxurious feel, and the right fabric can instantly elevate your look. Chapter 5. The final touch. Press and polish. Last but certainly not least, let's talk about presentation. Even the most expensive clothes will look cheap if they're wrinkled or disheveled. Always take the time to iron or steam your clothes before wearing them. And for those on-the-go moments, keep a fabric spray handy to freshen things up and eliminate any wrinkles. Trust me, a crisp, polished look speaks volumes. And there you have it, my loves. My insider tips for making those cheap clothes look expensive. Remember, style is all about confidence and knowing how to work what you've got. With just a little effort, your affordable wardrobe can rival any designer's collection. What's your go-to trick for looking expensive? Thank you for watching my channel. Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video.